Welcome everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Saskia from Pube Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a simple star image into a rhinestone design to cut out on a template. Welcome if you are new here. You're so welcome. If you are returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider do so, because I upload valuable videos every Monday and Thursday. So please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, let's get started. I'm working today in Silhouette Studio. I'm working in the business edition, but you can also create rhinestones, templates, SVGs in the designer edition. But the difference with the business edition is that in the designer edition, you won't be able to save them as a SVG. You have to save them as a studio file. But in the business edition, you will be able to save them as a SVG. You can send it to someone. You can sell it. You can bring it over to your Cricut design space and cut it out there. So the business edition has more alternatives and possibilities to work with. If you are ready to upgrade your Silhouette Studio to business edition to the next level, see the link in the description below, where you can get $10 off from Swing Design, and that's where I did mine. So you can have the link and upgrade to business edition. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to use a star today. I select it right here and I bring it over to my mat, and I'll draw a star. And with this round circle here, you can hold it and push it in to make the star a little bit pointier. Okay, and then you can have your star selected and right click and convert it to pad. Okay, now I'm going to place my star here. So this is the rhinestone panel. It's right here. But for instance, if you do not know it, you don't know how to find the names of these panels, go to panels and just click on it, and see when you click on the names, the corresponding icon panel will open. For instance, rhinestone, and then this one will open. If I go, for instance, to modify, you see modify will open. It's this one. Okay, let's get back to rhinestones. Okay, so here we are. I want to do my star in two colors. I want an outline around it with another color, and the inside, the full star itself, with also another color. But I'm going to test first which one of these effects I'm going to choose. Okay, I'll put it here. This one is just none, so nothing is done. It's just this one, this effect, just the line. When I click on this one, you see the outline, the edge is converted, not the inside. When I click on this one, you see this is it's done, but it's not nice. It doesn't look good, because this effect is more for boxes. I can say straight images and boxes. Yeah, that's how I can put it. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say I go to this box, call it box, this rectangle, you see it here, and I convert it into this. Everything will come straight and neat out. You see, straight and neat. Nothing's jumbled up here. But when I put it here, when I go to radial, you see it jumbles up on the inside. You see that? But for with the linear. Everything is perfect. Okay, and I'll take another shape, circle shape. Okay, and then I'll do the linear, and you see it kind of came out good in the inside, but the outside is not good. You see that? Let's make it red. Okay, yeah, we still have work to do on here, because it's like I told you, it's for straight things, like linear things, boxes. The inside works fine, but the outside is not good. But when I go to radial, this one here, ooh, you see that it's round until in the middle, and it drops one last one here. Okay, and see, if I increase the size, come on now, oh, if I increase the size, you see it becomes more and more perfect. So this one is for circles, round things, round edges and all. Okay, so I'll select my star, and this doesn't work. I don't like it. I'll select this, and this one will work. You know why it worked? Because it loves to give you a nice outside, linear outside. You see that the edges are nice, but the inside most of the time is jumbled up, just like it did with this one. You see, the inside is a little bit jumbled up, but the outside is perfect. Okay, let me put this back here. Okay, and with a star, yeah, we chose this. It make it nice on the outside. The inside is a little bit jumbled up, but it's jumbled up in a certain pattern, so we can just go in and fill it up with extra stones. That's why I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose the radial one for the star. So when you have a shape, you play with it and see which one of these effects, these three effects, will be the best. I'm working with 10SS size rhinestones. So these stones are the small one, not the smallest, but this size. That's what I have. So I will fill it, like brush this size into the template. Okay, but I'm going to do something. I told you I wanted to have my star in two colors. I want to outline. Okay, let me see if I'm doing the right thing. I want to outline, so I'll go back to none. Okay, and then for the outline, I will go to the offset panel. This is this one. If you don't know how to find it, go to panel and look for offset, the word offset, and this box here will open, and then you select the first one. And because stars have pointy corners, I will select the pointy one. And then this offset is too small. It's not good for this star. It should be bigger, because you know, on the edges there will be circle, and on this line there will be circles too. So it's not a good idea to leave it on 125. I'm going to upgrade it to like 170, 175. If it's not good, I will delete it and do it again, and then I'll apply it. Okay, now I will go back to my rhinestone panel. Then I will choose the edge for the offset. Okay, you see that? And I will make it, let's make it black for now. Okay, and now I will go on the star itself. Yeah, this is nice, but this is not what I want. I did this before. I will have too much work to fill out in here and stuff. I will choose the radial like we talked about. You see, it comes out nice. Even if I wanted to press it like this, like brush it in and cut it, brush it in and press it, it would be perfect, because the inside looks like a nice pattern. Okay, but we're just going to work on it. Okay, I will delete these and delete this. Okay, the thing you can do too, well, let me say this: the distance between the rhinestones, the red one, the distance between each other, the spacing is a 0.039 inch. Okay, and sometimes you can draw rhinestones with free hand, like draw it, especially if you're doing you want to write something, you know, you can add them with this one. You can go here in the middle, just select it, and let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, zoom in. For instance, I want a rhinestone here. I will come with this and click here. Yeah, because I don't have time to work with this because it had his headaches. I will not use these. You see, it's hard to select. It's very, very hard to select. That's why I don't work with them. I'm just going to take them out. Okay, I'm just going to release the rhinestones. That's what one of the things you need to do. You release them, and when you release them, all of them will fall out like individuals with small boxes around them, and then you can move them around. Okay, I will select on my red part, and then I'll release the rhinestones. You see what I was saying? They release them and all of them will come out like that. So now we will be able to move them. Let me go a little bit back. Like I think I'll put one in here. So I will duplicate this one, and I will make it blue. Let's say I make it blue. Okay, so I will know exactly what I did. I will put it here. Let me go back in. Okay, I will move this a little bit. I have this here, and then I will duplicate this one too, this same blue one. Let's walk with our mouse, with our arrow key, and then I will go up. Come on now, it's a little bit of work. I will still move them with my hands because I'm wasting my time. Okay, I'll put this one here. Okay, make sure they are not too close to each other, or they will give you problems. They will be hard to cut. Your template will be hard to cut. Let me see. Move this a little bit here, and this one in the middle here. Let me go back and see what I have done. I think I like it like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, I have released only the red. Please, when you release them, don't release the two colors at the same time, because you won't be able to group them again separately. You will not be able to. So you release one color first, like I did the red. So I'm going to select all over it, and I'll hold shift, and I'll deselect the black because I don't need it right now, and I'm going to group this all. Group with all. Okay, it's grouped, and then I will turn all red. Okay, now I can go to the black part and release them, and then I will group it again. I will group the black only. Okay, let's see here. When you look here, total selected shapes, I selected only the black. Look, the black is here, and the amounts of stones that I need to create the black part is 80 stones. That's the amount of circles we have here that will be cut out on the flock. This one here, I will need 239 stones to get the stars, the inside of the star. Okay, and I will, when I group both, I will need 309 stones to complete this whole design. Let me tell you, when you have a design like this, when you release it and group it again, please do not leave it just like it is. Do not enlarge it or make it smaller. Don't leave it just like it is. That's why before you release the rhinestones, you need to make sure that you have the right size. Make sure you have the right size that that you want, you know, what you want from the beginning. Okay, so we're going to save. Let me do this first before I'm going to separate the both. I'm going to cut out one first and then the other one. I'll cut them out separately, okay? On the flock, I'll cut the right one, cut the other one. Okay, let me select both and I'll show you the cut settings. You go to send, select them, make sure you select them, go to send. You see we will cut them. And when you go in the cutting profile, you can scroll down, and then I saw it. You see you find a rhinestone template material. This one cuts perfectly on the rocket flock. The flock material cuts perfectly. So this is what I'm using. So this profile is what I'm going to cut my flock on. I will use if you want, you can use 2 small pieces of flock, but make sure that you measure your flock before you cut it, or it will cut and some of the rhinestones will be left out. Please measure your flock before you cut. Okay, so let's get to the other part.